Hey guys, what's going on? Good afternoon. Just here to tell you a little bit about a product that I love now that the cold weather's coming. It's definitely chapstick season. I mean, for me, it's always chapstick season because even in the summer, your lips could get a little dry, but especially in the cold in New York, it's windy, your lips can get chapped more easily in the winter and the fall when it starts getting a little cold. So this is one of my most favorite products. It's called Hibiscus flavored lip color by Crazy Rumors. They come in a bunch of different colors. They have tropical, coral, which is this one that I have in front of me, sunset, pearl, sunrise, and breeze. They're all beautiful colors. I really love the coral, but I love that it's like a little bit pink. It's really pretty. The product dimensions of this are 1 by 8.1 by 1 inches, and they are 0.16 ounces, and the shipping weight is 1.4 ounces. So the product's like really durable, really nice. And here it lists the ingredients. So we have 100% natural and vegan ingredients, which is great. I'm vegetarian, not vegan, but if I can buy a vegan product over just a regular one, I will gladly do it. Ingredients are macadamia ternifolia, macadamia seed oil, olea europea, olive oil, Petrosperum parkii shea butter, Euphorbia cerifera, Candelia wax, non-GMO glycine soja, soybean wax, Simonsia chinensis, jojoba oil, seed oil, Copernicia cerifera, carnauba wax, aroma, natural flavors, tocopherol, vitamin E, mica, titanium dioxide, iron oxide, and Eupatorium redbirdianum bertoni stevia, which is like a sweetener, a natural sweetener, denotes organic. And I'm really sorry for struggling through that so much. Some of the ingredients are always hard to pronounce. So certified vegan, vegan.org is the website you guys could check on. They're on social media. They don't test on animals. There's the barcode. The container is made of plastic. The chapstick is by Crazy Rumors LLC in Kennesaw, Georgia, made with love in the USA. Advena Limited in Warwick, UK. It's the number you could call if you have any questions. Their website is www.crazyrumors.com. Product is gluten-free, non-GMO, and if irritation occurs, stop use. And then of course it says coral here in a really pretty color. Coral is one of my most favorite colors in the world. Coral and navy were my wedding colors. That's how much I love them. And it's funny because coral and navy is on this chapstick. So it says hibiscus flavored lip color. It actually really does taste good. It tastes just like hibiscus. That weight is 0.15 ounces and it is 4.4 milliliters. Comes off really easy. Just pop the top off so you guys can see the color. I'm going to put some on my hand so you guys can see. It's very light, very pretty. Has a nice scent to it. Smells like hibiscus. Looks like hibiscus. So you guys can see it's like a little shimmery, really pretty and light. What I love about this is it's different than your average chapstick. It's made better. It's made with more natural ingredients. And besides being, you know, great for chapped lips and for helping keep your lips moisturized naturally, it also gives a little bit of color. So if you don't want to wear lipstick, you know, on a certain day, I know I don't always feel like wearing it, you could do this instead, and it at least like it will give you a little bit of color just to add some shimmer and add a little bit, you know, of color to your face. So it's really pretty, very light. I love the texture because it's so smooth and keeps your lips so moisturized and so nice. And I just think it's overall a really, really great product and not too expensive either, which is good. Very reasonably priced. It's light, so obviously it'll just fit right in your purse or your makeup bag, your clutch, or whatever you're using for the day. And then of course when you're ready to seal this back up, you can just put the cap right back on it. Here it's snap. You know, don't leave it in the car if it's a really hot day or something, because of course it could melt. I've done that, not with this chapstick thankfully, but with like other ones, and they melted, and it's just a mess. So make sure if it's a hot day or something, you just carry it with you. It can even fit right in your pocket. So guys, this is Hibiscus Flavor Lip Color by Crazy Rumors and Coral. But I recommend you try all the colors. They're really great, and I'm really happy with this product, and I'm happy I'm able to share it with you guys. So I hope you found the video useful, and I thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.